In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add highlights in Asana. Highlights in Asana aren't a separate feature you toggle on. They're part of your project's status updates. This is where you showcase key wins, completed milestones, and meaningful progress, so anyone scanning the project can instantly understand what's going well. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share tips to make your highlights clear and impactful. Start by opening your project. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and pick the project you want to report on. It helps to have a quick mental checklist of the biggest accomplishments since your last update, like a milestone that was reached or a deliverable that shipped. Having those in mind will make the next steps faster. Once you're in the project, click the Overview tab. Overview is the home for your project's summary, members, and the full history of status updates. It's designed for stakeholders who want the big picture without digging through every task. This is precisely where your highlights will live and where they'll be easy for others to find later. Next, click Set Status in the top right. This opens the Status Update Composer. Think of it as your spotlight moment. You're capturing what matters most. Use the main description area to call out your highlights in plain, scannable language. Lead with outcomes over activities. For example, instead of saying work was completed, say what result it achieved. Mention dates for completed milestones, reference the goals those wins support, and keep it concise so readers can grasp it in seconds. If there were notable learnings or dependencies unblocked, include a quick note to provide context without overwhelming the update. Finally, choose a status such as on track. This color-coded signal frames your highlights for the reader. On track pairs well with wins and completed milestones. At risk suggests there are concerns, even if you achieved a few things. Off track signals the need for attention despite any progress. Pick the status that honestly reflects where the project stands today. Your highlights then reinforce why you chose that status and what's changed since the last check-in. That's it. By opening your project, going to Overview, clicking Set Status, and choosing a status, you're effectively adding highlights to Asana through a status update. Keep your wins specific, measurable, and tied to goals, and your stakeholders will always know exactly what's moving the project forward.